Ever wondered if you can lose weight on a keto diet without eating loads of meat? What if I told you that you can enjoy delicious, plant-based meals and still stay in ketosis? Today, I'm going to show you how with 10 mouth-watering veggie recipes that are perfect for your keto journey. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and recipes to keep you healthy and happy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Now, let's dive into our first recipe. We're starting with a classic cauliflower fried rice. It's low in carbs and high in flavor. Just pulse some cauliflower florets in a food processor, so with your favorite veggies, and add some soy sauce and sesame oil. A perfect quick meal. Next up, zoodles. Spiralize some zucchinis and toss them in a homemade pesto. It's a fresh, light dish that's great for lunch or dinner. Craving something hearty? Try our eggplant lasagna. Swap out the pasta for thin slices of eggplant layered with rich marinara and cheese. You won't miss the carbs, I promise. For breakfast, how about a creamy avocado and spinach smoothie? Blend avocado, spinach, almond milk, and a hint of vanilla. It's a power-packed way to start your day, so refreshing. Alright, let's keep going. These stuffed bell peppers are loaded with cauliflower rice, mushrooms, and cheese. Bake until tender for a satisfying meal. Who doesn't love a warm bowl of broccoli cheddar soup? It's creamy, cheesy, and perfect for those cozy nights. Our keto veggie stir-fry is a colorful mix of bell peppers, snap peas, and mushrooms. Stir-fry in coconut oil and season with garlic and ginger for an Asian-inspired dish. Grilled portobello mushrooms make a fantastic meat substitute. Marinate in balsamic vinegar and grill to perfection. Missing mac and cheese? Try our cauliflower mac and cheese. It's creamy, cheesy, and guilt-free. Finally, we have roasted Brussels sprouts. Toss them in olive oil, sprinkle with salt, and roast until crispy. They're a crunchy, delicious side, and there you have it, folks. 10 amazing veggie recipes that will keep you on track with your keto diet and help you lose weight. Remember, the key to sticking with keto is variety and delicious food. So give these recipes a try and let me know your favorite in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy cooking!